Today we're going to announce the winner of the Wavecor giveaway, plus so much more. Parts Express is excited to announce our new 2023 catalog featuring our most popular brands. Check out the digital catalog today on the Parts Express homepage and write down what you like, because now is the time to start picking out some gifts. Talon is out to make the music performance industry so much better, with new products like the K9 audio extenders offering a way to connect XLR and TRS with a simple Ethernet cable. Not to mention the PDI-1 Direct Box, which gives you additional features beyond a normal DI, such as the ability to create a reamping box. Take a look at all of Talon's great products on partsexpress.com. Black Friday is around the corner and we already have sales going on now. Head over to the site to get all the great deals, and while you're there, you can look into Parts Express gift certificates. That way, you can get exactly what you're looking for. Now let's announce the winner of the Wavecor giveaway from last month. You are the new lucky owner of $350 worth of gear if you are Michael H. from Howell, Michigan. Congratulations, Michael. We'll be in touch soon. This month, you could win a 6-pack of compact array drivers from Celestion, worth over $255 just by entering the contest on partsexpress.com. Good luck to everyone who enters. We'll see you next month.